Hello, my students. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. We are going to study science. We are going to study using electricity properly and safely. Using electricity properly and safely. Open to page 122 of your book. Page 122 of your science book. If you're ready, let's go. Electricity is valuable because it takes a lot of resources to generate it. Some resources are limited, such as coal and oil, that are used to generate electricity in large amounts. Eventually, they will run out, so we have to use electricity properly to save energy. What can we do to save electricity? I want you to think about it. I want you to think about it. What can we do to save electricity? Okay, using electricity properly and safely. Learning objectives. Be able to search for information about how to use electricity properly and safely. Instructions. Read and follow the methods. Record your results, then answer the questions. Methods. Search for information about how to use electricity properly and safely. Then tick in the star next to the sentences about how to use electricity properly and safely. Tick in the star, okay? Okay, so in your books, you have to tick in the stars, okay? How to use electricity properly and safely. 1, light bulb. Turn off lights when you have finished using it. Turn off lights when you have finished using it. Clean light bulbs every day. You have to choose the correct answer and you tick in the star, okay? 2, television. Leave the television on all day. Turn off the television and unplug it when nobody is watching it. Turn off the television and unplug it when nobody is watching it. Okay, you have to tick in the star the correct answer. Okay, you tick in your book, in the star in your book, the correct answer. Okay. 3, electric hot pot. Electric hot pot. Clean the pot while it is plugged in. Put water in the pot. Don't use the pot with no water in it. You have to choose which one is the correct answer. Okay, it's very easy. Page 124. You have to do the exercise on page 124 in your books, okay? Okay. Choose good quality electrical appliances that are suitable for their jobs and follow the instructions on how to use them and how to use electrical appliances properly, safely, and also save energy. To save electricity means to use electricity as needed, which will reduce the amount of electricity being used. We can check the amount of electricity used at home by looking at the electricity meter. We have the electricity meter or meter, whatever way you want to call it. Electricity meter. In our homes, we have the electricity meter. So you can check to know how much electricity you have used, okay? Table, examples of how to use electricity properly and safely. Examples of how to use electricity properly and safely. We have types of electrical appliance and how to use electricity properly and safely. Okay, so the first one is a light bulb. Use light bulbs that save electricity, such as fluorescent bulbs and compact fluorescent bulbs instead of incandescent light bulbs. Clean light bulbs and lamps often. Turn off the light bulbs every time when nobody is using it. Okay? Only turn it on when needed. Only turn it on when needed. Adjust speed of the fan. Turn off the switch and unplug the fan every time when you have finished using it. Turn off the switch and unplug the fan every time you have finished using it. Next, turn it on when having a program you want to watch. Turn it on when having a program you want to watch. Turn off the television and unplug it every time when nobody is watching it. Turn off the television and unplug it every time when nobody is watching it. Okay. Next, iron the right number of clothes each time. Iron the right number of clothes each time. Spray the right amount of water on clothes being ironed. Adjust the heat correctly for each type of fabric. Unplug the iron a few minutes before you finish. Unplug the iron a few minutes before you finish. Okay. Next, place a refrigerator far from heat. Place a refrigerator far from heat. Do not put hot food in the refrigerator right away. Do not put hot food in the refrigerator right away. Do not open the door often or leave it open. Do not open the door often or leave it open. Choose the right size for the family. Choose the right size for the family. Put water in it at the right level. Don't let it dry. Excuse me, I want to drink some water. Put water in it at the right level. Don't let it dry out. Unplug after you finish using it. Unplug after you finish using it. Choose the right size for the family. Unplug it after the rice is cooked. Okay, next. Wash the right number of clothes each time. Wash the right number of clothes each time. Adjust the level of water so that it is suitable for the number of clothes. Adjust the level of water so that it is suitable for the number of clothes. Unplug it every time after use. Choose an electrical appliance with an electricity saving sticker. Choose an electrical appliance with an electricity saving sticker. Okay, how to use electricity properly and safely. 1, read the manual, how to use an electrical appliance correctly and carefully, then follow the instructions. 2, always dry your hands and body before using an electrical appliance or switching switching it on or off. Do not plug many appliances into the same socket. Do not plug many appliances into the same socket. Unplug appliances from the socket every time after use. Unplug appliances from the socket every time after use. When you see any broken electric wires, you should tell your parents to change them. Okay? I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can play the video many times. Listen and you follow, okay? Okay, that was the end of the science class for today. Catch you in the next class. Have a nice day. Goodbye.